Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning about the use of so that as an adverb of purpose. Alright, let's get started. First and foremost, so that is a conjunction which is used to join two clauses. Second, so that is used before the clause which indicates the purpose. Third, the clause after so that generally includes a modal like can, could, may, might, will, or would. Now let's take a look at the pattern and some examples. The pattern is a clause which indicates the action plus so that plus a clause which indicates the purpose. The examples are, she worked hard so that she could pass the test. Let's go to the cinema early so that we can get good seats. I go jogging every morning so that I can stay in good shape. He cycles to work so that he won't be trapped in a traffic jam. Now let's do the first exercise. Combine the two sentences using the conjunction so that. Exercise 2. Combine the two sentences using the conjunction so that and the appropriate modal if necessary. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Bye!